Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully you are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Primer B. Today's topic is who. Who means कौन. Today we will read the question answers. So first question is who is eating a banana? केला कौन खा रहा है? Look at the picture. The monkey is eating a banana. So the answer is the monkey is eating a banana. बंदर केला खा रहा है. Second question is who is climbing the tree? दरख्त पर कौन चढ़ रहा है? Look at the picture. The boy is climbing the tree. So the answer is the boy is climbing the tree. लड़का दरख्त पर चढ़ रहा है. Third question is who is sitting? Look at the picture. The girl is sitting. So the answer is the girl is sitting. लड़की बैठ रही है. Last question is who is running? कौन भाग रहा है? Look at the picture. The dog is running. So the answer is the dog is running. कुत्ता भाग रहा है. Okay students, it's our today lesson. Hopefully you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.